Hello everyone, this is a year 2016 Audi S7 from Audi Malaysia. Because the original system in this Audi is not updated and not supported to the Audi Apple Carplay. So in this car today we install a additional CarPlay module which is already installed inside. And okay, now we go through the new install Apple CarPlay from the navy button here. Okay, show you this is the original radio of Audi radio. So press this, hold this button, hold now. Now it's enter the CarPlay. Okay, so we are controlling the CarPlay from the original knob. And actually the CarPlay now is connected in wireless with my iPhone 11. And I'm still filming this video right now with my iPhone, which is connected with the car now. So which means I can do things separate. I can do whatever, take video or sending message, reading my message, and CarPlay page is still maintaining here. So we go through some of the features. Okay, so go Waze. Waze in the Audi S7 now. Okay, so this is a history where I have been before. So let's choose one of the destination. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, so Waze began and it's bringing you to the location now. So how do we quit this? Just put the press the back button here, so we can go back to the home page, and we still can play around with other apps that supported in the Apple CarPlay, like YouTube, music. You can search what other app that's supported in the Apple CarPlay, and if you have it in your phone, it will be automatically at the page here. And steering control, all that is work. Okay, instead of control from there, I'm controlling the volume from the knob here. It's the same. Okay, it's work. And camera is no problem, but because I'm sitting in this position right now, so I will just skip the camera, but the camera is work. Okay, so this is CarPlay. Okay, so if you are interested to do this add-on and upgrade into your car, whatever is no matter it's Benz, Audi or BMW, welcome to contact us. I will drop the contact below. Thank you for watching.